Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Heartopia game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on Android phone. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your Android device. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. This may differ from phone to phone. After restarting your phone, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is fluctuating or not stable, then you can suffer from such kind of issues. So it's suggested to check if there is any kind of internet fluctuation. If you are using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once or move to mobile data or do vice versa and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So after doing this, open the game and check if you can play it. If not, you should also clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache option over here. Now click on clear cache. Once done, go back and launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, you should also check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store and the search option. Here you have to search for the game, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that check if the game is opening or not. You should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of updates. For that, go to the settings and after that go below, click on system update, and here you will see if there is any update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, and if you cannot play the game, then you are suggested to install a VPN and then try to launch the game. For that, go to Google Play Store, and in the search option here you have to search for VPN, and you will get a lot of VPN apps list. Install any one of them, and after that change the location and then try to install the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after uninstalling the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game and then click on the play install button, and after installing the game, then click on the play or open button and then check if you can play the game without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.